animate in WhatsApp and other apps. I have created GIF image using Canva, but it's working good in Facebook and in Instagram, but it's not working in WhatsApp. This killed the images. And when I searched it, I found that this image is greater than 2 megabytes, and this made a problem because it's about 10 megabytes. So now I show you how to fix this problem using the free convert. GIF compressor, choose your file from device.